All right, we are live. Welcome to Shitcoin Talk, episode 22. Crazy, I can't believe it. Yeah, good stuff with alts this week. I got some guests with me today. I am Dumb, at Dumb on Twitter. I'll throw it to Bitcoin Dad, and let's start it off.
What's up, guys? Bitcoin Dad. You can follow me on Twitter at Bitcoin_Dad, altcoin trader, and I'll pass it off to NETKO.
What's up, guys? I'm NETKO. I've been buying the low bags that you guys have been dipping on me in this little last day of Bitcoin dips. And I'll just continue to buy the fucking dip.
Buy the fucking dip.
Pass it off to Godson.
Hi, I'm Godson, and I am the chief databits bag holder. Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Here we go.
Yep.
Chief
the show
databits
starts
scientist.
now. The chief databits scientist, the chief databits bag. I sold my left nut for databits yesterday, man. Freaking call them left nut tokens.
That's cool because I'm selling and buying some last night tokens.
We got Android. I think he is away from his computer right now. So, chart guy, we miss you.
Shit.
Yeah, I got a lot of stuff going on. As mentioned, Databits was added to Bittrex, so people are very excited about. I suppose we could start with that. I know you guys are in love with Databits.
I never heard about it. What is this coin?
Yeah.
Bittrex is adding crazy shit again, you know.
No, it's an awesome ad. This is a great coin to add. Obviously, I've been really hyped up about this coin since I heard about the ICO. It's going to be a big project. Tokens are flying already. People are buying. There's partner shares you can get involved in, and cards, and the coin itself, and then the game's coming in a little under 2 months here. A lot of big news there.
Yeah, as I say, you know more of the technical side of things in regards to what they got going. But yeah, obviously I like it too. You kind of got me on board in the ICO. I like it. Like you're saying, the cards that you come along with just on the ICO buys, you know, the market's definitely hot. So nice little bonus for those people who got in early on the ICO.
Oh yeah, ICO is like between 7,000 or 6,000 and 10,000 sats. I mean,
it varies so much depending on when people got in and if they're in from spells of Genesis, depending on when they got in through that angle also. So there's a lot of variables. And let's just look at the current price. I tweeted about a month ago that I believe this is a top 20 market cap coin. So it's quite a stretch, but these prices right here, that would still be about 8x from there. So that's something to.
Well, and I kind of like the fact that they didn't really raise too much money. It wasn't like some overhyped over.
It's like $1 million exactly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just wanted to say that I was watching the trading go on Stock Exchange for like 2 weeks, and the bottom there was 7K. So I mean, if that's anything about, I know, lucky me, right? So like, yeah, if there's that's probably the break even for if you take in the second stage ICO buyers. I don't really know what the BCOS guys got it for, but like the second stage guys probably got it like around that price.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. $1 million raised. Like 900 bitcoins. Only 300 people put money into it. So I mean, it's definitely. I think it was under the radar for sure. And it's safe to say all ICO buyers are in decent profit right now.
Yeah, I think Big Crystals would definitely be the closest comparison for me for the next step, which is around a $10 million market cap. So that's kind of a futuristic, I guess, look. But it's great to see it got on a good exchange early. It got great volume. It's almost 400 BTC. I think just that alone is pretty exciting.
Yeah, so it's like a trading card game, I guess, on the Counterparty platform, and but they're gonna do like augmented reality on it as well. So like like GeoCoin meets BitCrystals kind of thing, I think, that's really interesting.
Yeah, you'll slap your card on the back of your phone, and you'll be able to play against other people.
I think a more apt comparison would be Pokemon Go as opposed to a trading card game.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I guess that's fair. So I mean,
it for use too. Also, the more usage it gets. So if you're invested in this game and you purchase some of the stuff on the App Store, percentage of that actually gets burnt, which keeps improving the value of your overall investment. We've seen Gambit do this. It was very successful over there, and I'm just very curious to see what an actual game on the App Store can do here. So
yeah, no, very interesting project. Props to Bittrex for adding it for sure. And Bittrex has been doing some pretty good stuff the last week or two. So yeah, good.
I know
good to
I
see you
make
back.
fun of you guys a lot, Bittrex, but I do love you guys.
We
I'm
love
just
you.
joking.
I just wanted to say real quickly that I'm actually really impressed by like the additions from Bittrex like the past few months, and this one has sort of capped it, for me. They're going through a resurgence right now. This is like the Bittrex golden age. So
yes. All right, so I got a coin list right now. We can rattle those off and see where you guys want to head. After,
No, man, we got 15 minutes left. We got to talk about databits.
All right, so
exclusive.
And
hello, I am Ambroid.
Chart guy. You got anything to add for databits, Android?
I did not hear nothing, except I want to say one thing. Let me share the chart.
Okay.
Look, Godson, it did not break down.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ! Let me read.
Yeah, Godson almost panicked, sold his databits.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You were about to cry earlier before we started. We had to calm you down.
Just let me know when you got some vision, Godson, and I'll make sure to tweet it out. I'll make sure to get some pump fuel going. But in regards to that, I posted that Shark Tank video, and a couple people asking if it was legit, and it is. And I think the video I posted cuts off at the end, but they did end up getting the funding from Vinny. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but big Bitcoin supporter and one of their advisors and investors. Maybe, I don't know if NETKO, you know more details on the Shark Tank side of things and how that comes into play with this. Are you familiar with it, or?
I think for overall, just having Vinny involved is great for marketing. Obviously, the real world people is different, right? Because it changes the aspect of it. I don't think they're looking at the coin as much as we are, and they'll make sure that this becomes a successful game in the App Store, whereas we're more or less just focused on the market. Honestly, the market could really do anything in the next couple months, and I'm not going to be interested until I see the actual game. That's when it'll actually become interesting.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, database looking good. All right, I'm gonna rattle off some coins, and then we'll figure out what's going on. Got Rads, Databits, done. Ant shares, Shadow Cash, Library Credits, Lisk, Rise, PIVX, Counterparty, LTC, Pink, Bullberry, Ardor, Decred, Nav, Made, Mew, Ryblocks, and Varium.
Ryblocks.
Ryblocks, what is that?
Do you mean Rycoin?
Oh, well, Rycoin. Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Or do you mean XRB?
XRB, Ryblocks, I don't know what the hell they're called. So, yeah, what are you guys looking at?
So,
any of those?
I've been in the Pink pump today.
Pink.
Yeah.
I don't have a chart saved because that's how much I care about Pink.
Yeah, they had a swap going on.
Yeah, so I just saw.
What the?
I saw this thing. No, never mind. I saw this thing on the 19th and 20th of March. So that's was the first sign, and then I bought at the end of March at 117 because I saw something was happening. It was during all the polo pumps like XBC and BTCD, and a lot of coins got pre-pumps there like EMC2 or C2 or such. So that was the reason why I bought, and it paid out today.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was a weird day when all those coins and people were rumored that it was like
That was
delisting
fun.
them. That was a fun day for sure. Yeah, and I don't know. They just released. Did they do a swap, or is it just they released a new wallet?
I think there's a physical swap because
Yeah, there was
Trex tweeted something about it.
Okay. Yeah, I know
the
NETKO's not interested until it's 2 in the pink, 1 in the sink.
Bring it back, man. That was old school. That's old school crypto right there. That's about all you had to do to promote a coin back in 2014.
They actually had some cool stuff though, like the lottery. I remember I won the lottery one time, and they had some cool little perks, like giveaways and stuff that they had going.
Yeah, it kind of died out there when that poker player left.
Crypto Casey, I think his name was.
Yeah.
Pink
Yeah,
Pocket,
well,
he was
profit.
He was
Now,
doing
on the other
lessons.
hand- Now, on the other hand, you've got the Dum Gum Bum Bum coin.
Dum gum gum.
I don't even know what the name is. Is it still alive? What's the ticker?
Dumb gum. I don't know, man. That's I made that coin.
Holy
That
shit.
was clearly a joke. That dumb thing.
Yeah, so I don't know. Pinkcoin, like Bitcoin Dallas said, they did lotteries and they got a Twitter tip bot. I think we got a tip from someone on the Pinkcoin tip bot. So yeah, I mean they got some fun stuff. It's a pretty fun coin, I think.
Also, there's the Trade with Pink. It's like the AutoView extension for Chrome, where you can kind of do a lot of fun stuff with the extension on Polo. Look that one up. It's AutoView on Twitter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not giving you my private keys, so.
That's kind of an issue, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the main problem with it. Yeah.
So, yeah, Pinkcoin. I think a lot of people overlooked this one. It's still on Polo, so maybe it's still got some life in it.
What's the market cap?
Seven,
Not too big for a Polo coin.
758,000.
Yeah,
That's nice.
definitely. It was definitely on the floor for a while.
I sold some, holding on to the rest. So let's see where it goes.
Yeah,
It
for
needs
sure.
to rebrand and call itself something more serious.
Well, it definitely did not do a full retrace. That's a thing.
Yeah.
What would be better, Pink Dog Coin?
Oh, yeah. There we go.
And it won Satoshi.
Yeah.
Yeah, shout out Pink Dog Coin. Yeah, that's a train wreck over there. Yeah, Pink.
You know what you got to enable over there.
Next toilet.
Next. Fuck. Someone asked about Rise. Should we talk about Rise?
Sure.
I love Rise.
Rise is the crowdfunded Lisk chain that did nothing but fall.
I spoke about Rise a few episodes ago. I also was tweeting about it about a month back here. I like it under 500 Satoshis here. They got a lot of stuff going on. They got a new dev, I think, that's kind of taking over, kind of making more progress here. Yeah, it did nothing for a really long time. That's the problem with ICOs sometimes, is you give them a lot of money, and yeah, but it's been just about a year now. They're coming up on their year birthday, and you'll get the chips snapshot. That'll be announced right away here. So that'll be chips for their built-in casino they have. So good reason to hold Rise right now, to grab some while it's still down in these lower areas.
Yeah, does it? Oh, go ahead.
I said market cap's just above 500,000, and I think the ICO is $1 million.
Yeah, they raised $1 million back. I think Bitcoin was like in the 700s or something. It was a little bit ago. So Whatever that means. Yeah, it looks like there's
it's a
some
far
life.
ways from Lisk, which is 30 million.
Right. So hopefully they upgraded their offices from the kitchen. After
Hey,
a
it
year.
worked for Zeke.
Yeah.
Zeke launched from the table, and it's doing fine.
Yeah.
Chart guy seems to have a chart there.
Yeah, it's an easy one, I guess. If you look at it, it's being bought up at these levels around 160, 300, and it's being suppressed below 600. So it's gonna bounce around in these levels until the market maker says it can go up.
Yeah, volume's
Alright.
looking better, I think.
Yeah, the volume is
Yeah,
being solid overall, so looking good, I guess.
I just want to say,
But it's a sleeper play, I think. It's not something that... well, you can never say with certainty, but it doesn't look like it's ready to pop just yet.
No.
I don't know.
Keep calm and buy the fucking dip.
Yeah, I like your new picture, man. It's looking good on you. All right, rise. Hopefully it does rise soon. We'll see. You guys, some people keep asking about ant shares. I really don't know what ant shares is. If you guys have any clue, enlighten me.
It's a Chinese coin.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I don't really know the details behind it, but a lot of Chinese support.
Holy shit, it just dumped. This wasn't there an hour ago, I think.
Yeah, it's the shitcoin talk effect.
It just gets requested on shitcoin talk and it dies. What the hell?
Sorry, guys.
The guy who requested it wanted to dump his bag, and he couldn't wait till we talked about it.
We were running a little late. He got worried.
Well, I think a lot more eyes are going to be on Trex only coins too, and I think that's why we're getting a lot more of these requests.
Well, it's not a Trex only coin. It's traded on Chinese exchanges.
Yeah, that's true too.
It's not like SafeX or Quark that are really only traded on Trex.
But instead of just focusing on the Polo coins, I think
So I'm thinking there are these Chinese markets that are pegged to yuan that are something we keep forgetting about, and they are definitely influencing the price of the coin. Like, for example, someone pointed me recently at First Blood. You remember the ICO?
Yeah, it sold out in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, and the point is, it's not traded on these Western exchanges, but on Yumbi or whatever the fuck. It's been popping, man. It's been parabolic, like these days, and it's First Blood yuan pairing. It just doesn't give a fuck about BTC.
Yeah, that's hard. Yeah, because some of those exchanges are hard to get onto, I think, too. And plus,
yeah, you need Chinese IDs and shit, and you need slanted eyes for surgery or something.
God damn it! No.
We couldn't go a week without being racist, could you?
Oh man! God damn it! I'm gonna edit that out. That's the thing, and then with all the drama with China's halting withdrawals, and so I mean it's gonna be hard to get into some of those coins, and they're not listed on the Western exchanges. So yeah.
Yeah. So I think what I'm thinking is, if you want to monitor these Eastern exchanges, you can kind of go and arbitrage these coins, like, because they are going up before us, kinda, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Like, there are these big markets for black coin also, or others, I think.
Yeah, like Vertcoin and Blackcoin, and kind of the older ones are on Chinese exchanges have pretty decent volume.
BPC and others. So yeah, I think there are just so many ways to play crypto. It's retarded.
Right, you could definitely get in those markets, kind of untapped, I think, but it's hard.
Yeah, if you have standardized, you could make some money arbitraging. between East and West.
God damn it. All right. Let's look at the troll box, YouTube troll box. They're asking about Jesus, PIVX in all caps. What are your thoughts on PIVX, guys?
It pumped like 100x. What are you looking for there? What are you looking for?
I'm still butthurt.
You want to
Still
buy
too
the
early.
top?
Yeah, don't ask the guy
Are you-
who keeps calm and buys the fucking dips. He's not looking at the 100x coin.
I think it's still up there. It didn't really
Yeah,
ever
it's
drop.
interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, my thought is I sold way too early. I'm pretty sure I was the bottom at 101 sats like a year and a half ago. So yeah, but the safe exchange or whatever that exchange was, that's no longer around. Yeah, 101 sats, baby. Ouch.
Yep.
Yeah,
That really does
I
look
saw-
like the bottom.
I saw it a bit later, but still, like,
It
I saw
never
it-
traded that low on Bittrex.
No.
Congrats, man.
No. Yeah. Thank you so much. Namaste.
you dumped solo. You dumped into
I dumped on
another
the Bittrex ad at 1200. I made like,
another universe or something.
yeah, I know. It was amazing. I don't know my thoughts on it. It went crazy and it's still holding, which is amazing. So
Props.
yeah,
But not my play. You know, like NETKO was saying too.
not my play.
Yeah, it's too
Yeah,
risky for
so
me.
what I'm thinking is it looks like Dash. I
Yeah.
mean,
It is Dash.
you've got these moves, and it's also got master nodes. So I'm thinking it's got the same market maker. It's just a week or two behind or something. And what's gonna happen? Probably you never know. But this, I'm thinking this.
Right. People are worried about it dumping, but you know there are markets like Ruby Coin, for example. It never really. I mean, it dumped, but it's still up there. I mean,
Yeah,
could be.
I'm just like this. Look, it's making the same double top.
Yeah. Yeah, that's an interesting one for sure. I'm a little sour about that. I don't like looking at it.
I mean, when you think about it, it's 16th market cap right now. So what a swing that was.
I mean, congrats to them.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
Amazing. Only in crypto.
Yep.
That's why we love it.
Yep.
That's
That's why we're here. Yeah, that's why we're on Shitcoin Talk.
We love it more when we play that though, the full. We don't love it when we sell it 110, but
yeah, I know.
All right, what's next? What we got rolling?
Let me see. Someone in the troll box is requesting a folding coin, as usual.
we can do it this week. I mean, we've skipped it for a few weeks.
It's like the running joke. Someone always wants to hear about folding coin.
FLDC. I think the community hangout is today. Actually.
Yeah, usually gets a little action around that time.
Yeah. And it's been showing a bunch of life. So.
Yeah.
EMC2.
It hasn't.
EMC2 still hanging up there after it didn't hit 600 earlier, but still lingering around 370. And when's that conference is coming up? Don't you guys know? It's like sometime in April, isn't it?
It's the beginning of April, yeah.
Today?
No,
Like the
I'm 3 to 6 or something.
Yeah, it's different times. I think
Different places.
in different places in the world, right? It's in a bunch of different countries. But I believe it was like the 4th or the 5th where I am.
Yeah, folding coin. I don't know. It did have a little pop over there.
Keep your eyes open for.
Yeah, they just gave out
all
their
of the
distro
coins.
stats for March for folding coin, and they get their distributions around 8 million or whatever. Number of folders, they had 467 folders. So I don't know. Those are just some numbers that if those are what people are looking for, I don't know. Besides that, I spoke about this coin so many episodes ago. I just accumulate this coin when it dips, and I'm waiting until it catches up with all the rest of the research coins.
There's like a pattern here with you buying the dips. It's weird.
I just changed my logo. I'm not even gonna talk anymore.
You know what the pattern? You know what the pattern is? He just buys them all.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't though. I only keep my, I only own so many coins.
Yeah, so it's looking good. Like this previous level was a resistance, and it's bounced from it, so it's acting support instead. I mean, it's 140 level, and it's definitely in an uptrend since the start of December, which is curious because that's when BTC was pumping. So if you look at these levels, they've been holding very strongly despite the BTC pumping, which is always very nice to see.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, like we always say, it's solid coin. Dude, they have the community hangouts and stuff. I mean, there's a lot of info on this one. And it's really impressive because like that and grid coin research and all these, like they have like some of the highest numbers of people that are, helping the folding network or whatever network they're on. So I mean, they've played a pretty big hand in the research.
Yeah, it's pretty cool to just be involved. Stanford University isn't a small university either, so.
Right. Yeah, look it up. Do whatever you want. About library credits. Someone said no fundamental shit, just technicals.
Yeah, that's flying out of BTC.
Yeah, so you know what people want. They want me, not you.
Yeah, no, I don't even know the technicals. I just know they're kind of weird.
All right, so let me look. This is a setup I've been testing, so I'm not showing it to you. But let me see. It's dipped, but looks like it's holding. Let me draw this rectangle. Look all the way back from here. This was a solid resistance twice over, and now it's becoming support. And if you this is a bearish candle, but these three candles are in fact bullish continuation candles. So you would expect a green candle tomorrow with like 60% certainty or something. So that's it for technicals. I think it's in an uptrend. Yeah. I mean, look at these hugging of the HMA. It's pretty solid. Buy the dip.
Buy the dip. Yeah, that was like when it first came out, it was like kind of a Vox thing going down, but I think it has more of a better story than Vox does. So
what are you talking about? Vox is a fucking beauty. We
no,
mentioned it on this show at like fucking 700. I got shit all over. I got shit all over for that fucking buy. And go look at it now. It's alive. It's alive.
Yeah, boy. I bought it around 1,000 around here, around the start of February. I got shot on, but I held on.
And I held on for dear life.
So, it's not gone so deep down that I would sell it at a loss.
Oh, Fox. Yeah, never gets old, man.
Yeah, the more they hate it, the higher it'll pump.
Yeah, no, I think they've done a good job of shaking every single person in the world out, except for shitcoin talk.
Some people in shitcoin talk, some hate it. That's the hilarious thing.
Oh, I hate it, but I've been in and out a few times, so I can't complain.
That's the beauty about shitcoin talk is a lot of these bags we talk about, majority of us are not on the same page.
Yeah, no, I definitely agree into that.
I
A lot of
love
these bags today I haven't even ever bought, so it's just some different
Ooh.
strokes for different
It
folks.
broke out of the cloud, actually. That's fun. That's the first time it happened. Hooray,
Uh-oh.
for the box.
All right,
Is instead. Nice.
let us move on from this. Ugh.
And the cloud is green. Holy shit.
I feel like I'm getting sick. I don't know which one to talk about.
Come on, dude.
Potcoin.
What?
420's coming up.
Yes, let's hit the weed coins. Why not?
Yeah. Potcoin, Tokes, Kush.
Ugh.
Dope.
Yeah, who runs Potcoin nowadays? Anyone know?
Nope.
Not a clue.
Not a clue. No idea what's going on with it. Came back from the dead whenever it had that crazy pump. I mean, and
No, you know what happened? It was dead. And after the pump, the dev tweeted.
we're
like-
back.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you know, who's been accumulating that whole time? That's probably them. Do you guys think it's gonna pump for 420? My vote is I don't know, man.
I mean,
Has
wasn't it-
any Potcoin?
That's the running joke, dude. Oh yeah, buy these potcoins, they're pumping.
You should always get rid of some of those pot-related coins before 420.
yeah, I would say last year they pumped in March or something like that, and 420 was nothing, or it pumped like 2 or 3 weeks before 420, and then nothing really happened.
Yeah,
Yeah,
or they'll
last year.
pump months after 420 and everyone's already sold, and then it goes.
Yeah.
So you can't make it too easy for you, you know.
Yeah, so this is my chart for pot. I bought it based on, like, it looked to me like it was being accumulated here again. So that's where I bought. And then when it broke this trend line, I sold at a loss. And ever since I'm out, I haven't looked at it for a long time. So I had no idea it pumped.
Yeah, since it's been at what 100, 200 sats for so long, and now it's up at 2,800. I can't. Or what is it at 2,300? I can't look at it.
It'll
It's not the
never be
same.
It'll never be accepted anywhere. It'll never really be used for any real world use. It's just a trading shitcoin. So just have fun with trading it if that's what you do.
Yeah.
If you're waiting until it's accepted at every shop, forget about it. You'll be old and
Thanks.
gray.
Yeah, you stoner. You think you're gonna just buy these pot coins and then you're just gonna get free pot for the rest of your life? Yeah, right.
Yeah, I mean, if you're looking at a coin that's actually got marketing and a marketing plan for weed, it's definitely Tokes, if any.
See, that just got added to Bittrex, or I've never even heard of that before.
very
So
decently. Yeah,
Tokes platform. I think it was an ICO. I remember.
I mean, they're planning to build their own fucking weed farms, or however you call it. What's not to like?
yeah.
Well, what was the thing back with CANN? It was like 1 can for 1 gram of pot or something like that.
Yeah, they
1
actually
can, 1 joint.
did it. Yeah, it was a 1 gram joint, and that's the day that I remember because the doors opened and it dumped from 17,000 to fucking just to death.
Everybody's
Great.
getting their joints and cashing in their.
Oh man, that was beautiful. I couldn't believe it. Yeah, but they actually did it. They actually, got some people to download the wallet and, buy some joints with CANN, which was pretty impressive actually. So yeah, I mean it's a possibility, but I mean you can look at CANN now and it's looking pretty grim.
I mean, just the way the market is in general right now, I think there's just a lot of other plays also instead of going for the every year weed play, which we've all done for the last 3 years. So
because if everyone's on board with the weed pumps for 420, then your chances are it's not going to happen. Like it just can't be that easy.
Yeah.
Or can it?
It seems like every year though there's a round of like new people who are like think they're just a genius because they're like, shit, this is gonna pump on 420.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a big believer in, the whole aspect of things. I think that it could work together, and it's a shame that nothing has really transpired, with all these coins that have come out. And that's kind of how I got hooked on it initially when I was, just starting. It was like, oh yeah, it's a great idea. It could work. And then all these projects never really pan out, it seems like.
Yeah, and the scene is so young still. I think that you still got to give it time. Like these things can't just happen in a year or two. Like
not gonna happen overnight,
right?
Yeah, when the actual like people who like want to do it, when they actually show up and do it right, it's gonna be one of the biggest. It's like one of the easiest like use cases for tokens to actually have and make a sort of a weed type thing, but it's gonna have to be pegged, and it's not gonna fluctuate. So then it's not gonna be profitable for trading, and it's gonna be really really hard. So it's like, do you want to have a scam that pumps or like
something actually useful? Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know what the answer is? The answer is yes.
Yes, for everything. Scams, yes. What else is on the list? You guys, Decred. I know that thing kind of went crazy a few weeks ago. Yeah, we don't have to. I don't know if you guys are interested.
I even don't know if I have. No, I didn't save my beautiful chart.
I just know that thing went nuts. People are all about it now. Those freaking airdrops are worth God knows how much now, man.
Well, I mean, I think they had that Coinbase presentation already, and Charlie is a known supporter, so that that kind of is definitely giving it a boost. But that's about all I really know about it.
Yeah, I missed that one. That's for sure.
Yeah, so it's been sideways for 5 days, so people are nervous. Why is not my back pumping?
Because it already did. Wait, you know what else pumped? That was really interesting. Is Litecoin.
Oh boy,
true.
Everyone's all nuts about that. Even it went 50% or 80% in a day.
Yeah, 80. Yeah.
Let me pull it up.
Yeah, that candle.
Jesus Christ.
100%. Even.
They have a Segwit is I think one of the biggest pools on Litecoin is now signaling for Segwit. So
is it activated or no?
No, but it's like really really close, because I think the consensus point is 75, and they've got like 50% or something.
Yes, Vertcoin and Litecoin are both pretty close. Oh, is Digibyte close too?
How about Syscoin?
Yeah, Syscoin's already activated.
Yeah,
but they broke their blockchain.
Yeah.
It's really funny.
So there's a number of coins now. I mean, it was just Litecoin initially and Bitcoin, obviously, and then Vertcoin kind of announced something, and Digibyte.
Yeah, now Vertcoin, they were waiting for one miner that has like 20% of that hash rate to switch over, and he's like being real stubborn apparently. So like it's like just that close, But yeah, that's pretty interesting. A lot of those Segwit rumors, those coins pumped for sure. Litecoin definitely took the cake though.
Hilariously enough, it did not break resistance.
Yep.
The crazy thing was
stopped right there. Like, look at this, it's beaut.
Yeah, no joke.
The crazy thing with Syscoin is, even though, like how you mentioned, they broke their blockchain, it was actually pumping during that time.
That's exactly what happened.
Like, what's going on? I was like, are you guys reading this or not? It's like,
no, that's exactly what's supposed to happen, man. You can't transfer coins, pump it. That's like one of my biggest wins was on a broken blockchain. It was Fiber. Couldn't transfer it, and it just blew up because no one could ever move their coins around.
Yeah.
So, I mean, crypto is very strange.
All right, next.
What we got? 15 minutes left. You guys want to do like a roundup what you guys are talking about, or what you
We
guys
haven't
are?
talked about VRM.
Oh yeah.
Which is my...
All right. One more. We'll do Varium.
Oof.
We were talking about that a little earlier.
Goddamn, I need screen. I can't do that actually, so that sucks. But VRM is my Mew and my PIVX. I'm holding this one to fucking all-time high, and then we're gonna hold it to new all-time high and sell it for Lambos.
Yes, and the Porsches.
Yeah, and the Porsche and the Porsches.
So
but yeah, VRM is
basically
obviously
bumping
the
ever
V2.
since. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
VRM was the version 2 from the Vericoin team, and they had a swap ICO type thing, and it's got like this. I think it's some new POS model or whatever.
Oh
And,
yeah, proof of stake time or whatever.
Yeah. It just kept dumping from the ICO price from like 100,000 all the way down to I think the bottom was 3K. So now
Yeah.
it's sort of.
We were just
bouncing
talking
back
about
up.
that. What Vericoin was like, I don't even know what the market cap was, but Varium at one point was like $24,000 market cap, and it was like, what is going on here? Why did you even make this coin? But
So fun thing, it's been pumping ever since it got added to Topia. Just saying,
coincidence?
Carlson.
Coincidence? I don't know.
And
Yeah,
it's pulling kind of the same volume.
I'm still confused as to what the point of Varium was for. Like, what? I don't know, man.
You could say that about a lot of coins, man. Just don't go there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I
So
was
confusing.
looking at this coin. I tweeted out about it on mid-January. Godson just stole my call as per usual, but
Lord.
yeah, I was buying this thing. This thing with market cap was really low. There is only about 24,000, and Vericoin's market cap was 540,000. So huge opportunity there. Is basically either this thing was going to the ground and Veri was going to follow it, or it would have a serious uptrend. So now the market cap's starting to get into a reasonable rate. Be interesting to see where the future of this coin goes.
Yeah,
I do like the
agree.
POST though.
Yeah, you definitely got a good dev team. Good project. I think it was just weird seeing it at, less than $30,000 market cap. It's like, what is going on? So, yeah. So you guys mining anything? You got any other smaller bags you guys want to talk about for the last 10 minutes or so?
Mining NETKO.
No one's mining anything, man.
Yeah, I'm not mining.
Still mining NETKO.
NETKO.
Yeah. For me, I'm just watching. I've got the Hunter coin swap coming up here. That's coming up in 4 or 5 days. So if you own Hunter coin, you don't have to swap over your Hunter coin. You just do the snap, take a snap of it, and then you'll get 5. They're splitting 5% of all Shy coin. So when that finally comes out, you'll get 5%. The dev's been talking on the forum. If you go to the Hunter coin Bitcoin talk forum, he's been talking like Polo might be interested in this coin. So something to follow. Running out of time though if you're getting some coins. Tick tick.
Yeah, that's what kind of like the next to order kind of snapshot that you're talking about. And then are they doing an ICO on top of that as well?
Yeah, they're going to be doing an ICO after, and then we'll be getting 5% of all the coins.
But you keep your Hunter coin.
And you keep all your Hunter coin, yeah.
Yeah, that'll be definitely an interesting one to play.
Yeah, it's definitely worth checking out the forum on Bitcoin Talk, Hunter coin, because the dev has been throwing out some interesting things lately, so it's worth following.
Yeah, I'm not mining. Nothing really going on here. I was trying to sell my monetary units this week, so that's all I got.
You traitor.
I know. So sad.
So what were you mining, Ambroid?
NETKO. I mine the NETKO.
That's on Topia, right?
It's Antopia, yeah.
Nice.
Not that I care right now. I'm just kind of mining it to accumulate. It's nothing I expect to move for quite a while. I just set my desktop on it every night because I've got an NVIDIA card and it's a Blake 2 coin, so there aren't many people that can mine it effectively. That's kind of the point. It's like with Pascal, like it was CPU only for ages.
Yeah, it's funny that you can mine it. You know, like you say, you don't care about Cryptopia so much, but if you're mining it, then you know like the low cost, and if it does dip on Cryptopia, you could just buy it for whatever you're mining it for, which would be a good
my
route.
break even is around Cryptopia's pricing, so
right. So at least you kind of know what the break even is.
Yep.
Yeah, just I was playing some markets this week, but I'm not mining. Haven't been mining. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I would talk about it more, but you know, do your fucking research. Why should I just tell you everything?
Yeah.
And that's meant that the people watching, I mean, these people probably know why I mine it. Yep.
Well, you, Godson, anything?
No, not really.
Yeah, Godson can't mine much on his Samsung.
No, man. I've just been. I haven't really mined anything in months, so there's nothing really interesting there. So.
Yeah, same here. I really haven't. Nothing's really caught my eye. I haven't really been paying too close attention either. I mean, it's hard to ignore the way the markets are. You know, 15, 16,000 people on Polo every day. It's hard to kind of turn away from that.
You're lying, man. You're just you haven't for weeks. I mean, you are the Ribos OG miner.
Yeah.
I didn't say I'm not mining. Essentially, bring up Riblox. You know, obviously, I still support the project. Things are moving along. They've had an update to their wallet with some of the issues Cryptopia had with the syncing. I've been running it for a good week now. No issues at all. Things are smooth. Market's picking up. It's on Mercantox exchange, I think. I personally don't have an account there. But price is going up. I think when I mentioned it, you know, a couple weeks ago, we're 400 or 500 now, pushing 12, 1300 OTC and on Mercantox. So
didn't it get bought up to like 100,000 or something twice?
Some crazy buy ups on there too. And support's pretty thick. I'm surprised for the market there. They have some pretty good support rolling in. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully a bigger exchange steps in at some point. I know I talked to the dev a little bit, and he wanted to kind of polish up some things before maybe pursuing some additional exchanges. But
so any union strikes from the Indian workers yet?
Actually, you know what? They're kind of pissed off, and funny you mention that. They're kind of upset. They've had record amounts of claims. I know when I was looking at it, it was under 1 million. Now we're 4.2 million today with still 2 hours to go. So mining has been pretty crazy in the amount of miners that are on it. So I think they're going to rework the distribution. I don't know the details. I just kind of caught wind of it in their Telegram, but I don't think the miners are very happy. So maybe it'll be a little harder to mine. I'm not sure. I'd have to dig into it.
Yeah, that's cool. Godson, you have a troll in the troll box that wants your attention.
Oh, what?
Not Godson. He doesn't talk shit or anything.
Godson. Yeah. It is. It's. I haven't been paying attention to Bitcoin talk or anything. It's hard to do that when alts are back. So it's. I have a feeling there's going to be a sleeper play here coming up, a good mining play coming soon when no one's looking. So
the next crave.
So is the Telegram group still alive?
I haven't.
It's kicking. Are you kidding?
Yeah, it wants to be alive. I can't go on Telegram. It's not my platform. I just can't.
No, seriously, it's actually kicking. It's like 160 people there. You know, lots of like important people as well. So I mean, it's not. It's kicking.
Yeah, we're important. You
Is
can
it
join the
as
Telegram group.
Is it as unmoderated as I'm afraid it is?
Yes. No moderation required.
Oh God.
Yeah, maybe I'll have to pop in there again. I keep forgetting about them. I'm sorry. Well, you guys got anything else?
No, I don't.
Got a tip jar. I'm gonna do timestamps hopefully today. I need to get on that quicker, but we'll add timestamps to this video. Twitter's will be in the description, obviously.
Before we were out, how about Bitcoin? What do you guys think about it? Because you know, obviously the alts could react either way. What are you guys thinking of direction?
Chart guy.
No, please, no. I've not been charting BTC.
Oh,
I don't what sorry I did interrupt, but I just want to say a big shout out to the guy who tipped last week's episode. That was really cool.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
What's his name again? We have to figure out what his name is. Shout out to everyone who tips us every
Here,
weekend.
I'll find it real quick. I'm gonna say his name.
Your name will be said on here. We promise.
Yeah, for Bitcoin, it's like showing some strength, and it is pretty interesting that it's going up. But alts aren't taking too much of a nosedive, so it's just kind of creeping up. Not anything too drastic.
Yeah.
The guy's name Wooly Ganu in the YouTube comments. That's the guy who tipped us, so I appreciate that. That's really awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, shout out Hooliganu. What up, man?
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Yep, thank you. Yeah, I don't know. Bitcoin, definitely took a nosedive, and it's kind of surging back up there. So
yeah, but like as long as the whole like BU thing isn't finally put to rest, we're not gonna have a mega pump. So I mean, it's gonna go up and down, but it's going up now because BU is slightly losing ground, and everyone's pretty sure we're not gonna have a hard fork. So I mean,
I'm hoping for chop, like sideways.
Yeah, need some sideways for sure.
Well, we don't need it, but we hope for it.
We want it. Give it to us. Yeah, I think that's about it. Oh yeah, shout out Crypto B1 for that. He tipped us as well, and Crypto Krill also gave us a tip. And there's a few other ones, but I didn't know who they were. No one ever told us. So if you tell us or you tip us, please tell us. So we'll give you a shout out.
Yeah, it's cool, guys, because then we can use that and hopefully make the show better, improve it every week.
We're trying to get a logo. I need to get a logo going, so maybe we can tap into some funds for that. Who knows? Yeah.
If we get a big enough tip, we'll do a show in Vegas with hookers as well.
Oh yeah, dude! You bet your ass. We'll do ICO.
Yeah, one more coin that I'm kind of, I guess, looking at right now is I'm watching Stellar. I want to see it run a little bit more and catch up to. It usually has a push with Ripple. Ripple's had way more of a run. This one hasn't really got going, so I am watching that one too.
Yeah, I like that too. I was the same play. I already took a position a couple days ago.
Nice.
Yeah, cool. Well, I guess that's about it. We'll see you next week.
Good show, fellas.
Peace.
See you.
Peace.
Bye.